Ever notice those black and white squares on menus, posters, or tickets? You scan them and boom! A website or menu appears on your phone. These are QR codes, tiny bridges between the real world and the digital one. No batteries, no moving parts, just instant access to information, videos, Wi-Fi, or even payments. Before QR codes, you had to type out long web addresses from posters. Now it's just point and scan. But how do these pixelated puzzles actually work? Let's pull back the curtain and see the science and engineering behind them. Get ready to see QR codes in a whole new way. QR stands for Quick Response, and that's exactly what they deliver. Invented in 1994 by Denso Wave in Japan, QR codes were created to track car parts more efficiently than old-school barcodes. Unlike barcodes, which only store a few numbers in one direction, QR codes are two-dimensional. They pack in hundreds of times more data, including text, links, and more. Their design allows them to be scanned from any angle, making them fast and reliable. This versatility is why QR codes broke out of factories and landed on everything from cereal boxes to concert tickets. They're not just labels, they're interactive gateways. That's why you see them everywhere. Look closely at a QR code. It's not random. Every part has a job. The three big corner squares are position markers, helping your phone instantly find and orient the code. A smaller square near the fourth corner is the alignment pattern, making sure the code can be read even if it's bent or at an angle. Dotted lines between the corners are timing patterns, acting like rulers to keep everything in line. The rest of the grid holds the actual data, black squares for ones, white for zeros. Built-in error correction means even if part of the code is damaged, your phone can still read it. It's a masterclass in compact, resilient design, all that packed into a tiny square. So, what happens when you scan a QR code? Your phone's camera spots the three corner markers, isolates the code, and corrects for any distortion. It reads the grid, converts the pattern into binary code, and decodes it into usable information, like a web link or contact details. The software instantly recognizes what kind of data it's reading and prompts you with an action. Tap yes, and your phone opens the link, adds a contact, or connects to Wi-Fi. The whole process, from scan to action, takes just seconds. It's seamless, fast, and almost invisible. How much can a QR code hold? A lot! Up to 4,296 characters, way more than a barcode's 20 digits. That's enough for long URLs, event details, or even digital business cards. If you're just storing numbers, a QR code can hold over 7,000 digits. Error correction is built in, so even if up to 30% of the code is damaged, it still works. That's why you sometimes see logos or images in the middle of QR codes. They're designed to handle it. This resilience makes QR codes perfect for real-world use, from menus to packages. They're tiny, tough, and packed with data, all in a single scan. QR codes are evolving. Static codes are permanent, but dynamic QR codes can be updated anytime. No need to reprint. Dynamic codes use a redirect link, letting owners change the destination or track scans in real time. Restaurants can update menus, promoters can swap event links, and businesses can measure engagement, all with the same printed code. The future? QR codes are merging with augmented reality, digital IDs, and product authentication. They're getting more colorful, artistic, and secure. Open source and endlessly adaptable QR codes are here to stay. The humble square is only getting smarter. Next time you scan a QR code, remember there's powerful tech packed into that little square. It's not just a shortcut, it's a portal. If this video opened your eyes a bit, give it a like, share it with friends, and hit subscribe for more tech made simple.